All right, thank you for coming to view our poster. I'm Kevin Krajcir, and I'm going to discuss with you today some of the research we've been doing in the Bovis lab at Arkansas State University regarding feather mites. Feather mites are a group of ectosymbiotic arthropods that live primarily on the wing and tail flight feathers of most birds. However, there's a lot about their basic biology, diversity, ecology that remains poorly understood. So I'm going to highlight some of our research and explain how collections have aided in some of that briefly as I walk through this poster with you. So we've described a handful of new feather mite species with more on the way, primarily using slide mounted individuals that we've collected from birds in the field. You can read more about our collection of feather mites and how it's growing and the dominant groups represented in this bottom left box. We've also explored aspects of feather mite biology, both in the field and through living collections. So we've taken feather mites and assessed some of their survival and dispersal in the lab. We've also looked at aspects of their abundance on hosts and how some environmental metrics may determine that. We've also looked at their ecology through various metrics of host condition, including body condition, apparent survival, some physiological and fitness metrics, which you can read more about at the bottom center. We've looked at mite evolution and speciation, considering some of their coevolution with their warbler hosts and population genetics of the mites using various molecular tools. We have a bit about future directions, some projects that are currently in progress in our lab, as well as some general topics that are of interest to the feather mite community. You can read more through the associated literature here. I also am open to emails with questions. That would be at kjkrajcir, my last name, @gmail.com. Thank you for your time.